Let me show you how to fix Snapchat map not loading. Now the first thing immediately that you can do in this situation is try to check if your internet connection is stable or not. You can simply check that by using other applications that do need internet connection. If that is the issue, you can try switching between different networks. Also, you need to ensure that the location service is enabled for the Snapchat app. So what you can do is tap and hold the app of Snapchat, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to permissions, and right here make sure that the location option is selected to allow. If this is not selected to allow, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Now if this is not the issue with you, the other thing that you can try out is look for new updates available for Snapchat. So head over to the Play Store, search for Snapchat, and make sure you update this application. Also, you can try turning off the ghost mode inside of the map setting in Snapchat. So open up the map and head over to the settings, and then right here you'll see the option of ghost mode. You can try turning off this option. Now even after doing all of these steps you're still having issues, then that likely might be because Snapchat is down right now, or Snapchat is having server outage. So in this situation you just need to wait out a couple of hours before your issue is automatically fixed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.